In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord time zone. If the times on your messages, calls, or events look wrong in Discord, the fix is actually simple. Discord doesn't have its own time zone setting. Instead, it uses whatever time zone your device is set to. That means if your computer or phone is set to the wrong region or time zone, Discord will show times that are off, even if the app itself is up to date and working normally. So here's what you need to know. The solution is to change your device's time zone in its system settings. Once your device is using the correct time zone, Discord will follow it automatically. You don't need to hunt for anything inside Discord's menus because there isn't a separate toggle in the app for this. Start by opening your device's settings. You're looking for the section that manages date and time. On many systems, this area is called Date and Time, Time and Language, or something very similar. The exact name can vary by device or software version, but it will always be where the clock, region, and time zone are configured. If you're on Windows, open Settings and use the search bar at the top to look for Date and Time. In that page, you'll see options to set the time zone manually or automatically. If you travel frequently or just want Windows to handle it for you, turn on the automatic option so it detects your time zone based on your location and network. If you prefer to control it yourself, switch to manual and choose the correct time zone from the list. Make sure the selected region matches where you are, not just a nearby city, as even small differences can shift timestamps by an hour or more during daylight saving changes. The same principle applies on other devices as well. Open your device settings, find the date and time section, and adjust the time zone there. Whether you choose automatic detection or pick a location manually, the important part is that your device is set correctly. Once it is, Discord will reflect the right times for messages, threads, and scheduled events. That's really all there is to it. To fix Discord's time zone, you don't change anything in Discord itself. You adjust your device's time zone in its settings. Pick automatic if you want it to stay updated on its own, or select the correct time zone manually if you need a specific setting. After that, you're good to go, and your Discord timestamps should look exactly right.